Hey folks, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to do some stewed turkey today, right? In case you guys don't know, I love turkey, but I haven't eaten it in a little while now. So I say, you know what, I'm going to do a stewed turkey recipe for you guys today. So I already have my turkey, pieces of turkey. These are turkey wings. They're quite big. I find with turkey, they're very inexpensive and you get quite a bit. And look at the size of these turkey wings, and the drumsticks are very big. It's like a piece of steak. You know, it's quite, what's the word to use? They're quite inexpensive to prepare and stuff, and plus it's a very lean meat. Okay, so I'm using basic seasoning. I have here some garlic powder, about a tablespoon, onion powder, black pepper. This is about a teaspoon of salt, cayenne pepper. This is about, I think, half a teaspoon cayenne pepper. I have some parsley. I have 1 tomato that I chopped up. This is about 1 tablespoon of ketchup. So I'm just going to mix everything together. Then I'm going to allow this to marinate for about an hour to 2 hours. I'm going to also add some Shado Beni leaves that I finely chopped up here, and a small bit of Shado Beni pepper sauce that I bought in Trinidad earlier on this year for my daughter's birthday, and I did a review. Small bit, right, all of that. Yeah, that should do. And I'm still going to put some of my all-purpose seasoning, my favorite one, Badia. I'm going to put a small bit of this, my favorite seasoning, Badia complete seasoning. Okay, so here's my pot on the stove already hot. So I'm just going to add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. I'll let that sugar melt. Gently just stir this around. Good. So get some beautiful color there. Hope you can see that clearly. Now I'm going to add the turkey. I'll allow the meat to simmer before I add any water. Turkey meat takes a little while, a very long time to cook, like maybe like about an hour and stuff. So if you have a pressure pot, fine, you can put it in the pressure cooker, it will cook faster. But I don't really have one, so I have to put water to cover the pot and for about an hour to get it tenderized. But my focus right now is to get nice color. I'm going to add a small bit of water and keep on stirring. I just don't want it to burn. I'm so excited to try this because I haven't eaten turkey in such a long time. This will be so good. Alright, so I'm going to fill the pot with water and let this simmer and allow the meat to get nice and tender. Alright, I'll be back. Okay folks, here's my stewed turkey, brown stewed turkey. Lovely color. Turkey is nice and tender, perfect. So you saw me fill in the pot with water the first time. I had to fill it again to get the turkey nice and tender. So it took me about an hour plus to get the tenderness that I like. Yeah, baby. Okay folks, here's my stewed turkey looking super delicious. Yeah man. So if you enjoyed this recipe, click on the thumbs up button, leave a comment for me and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to click on the bell next to the subscribe button. In doing so, you get a notification each time I upload a new video. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.